Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Every journey begins where the cocoa tree meets the morning light.
Only the finest pods are chosen at perfect ripeness.
Each cut is precise, protecting both fruit and tree.
The harvest comes together, one basket at a time. Inside each pod lies the raw essence of chocolate. The beans emerge, rich with potential and flavor. Fermentation begins, unlocking the chocolate's character. From here, transformation quietly takes hold. Once fermented, the beans begin their journey beyond the fields. The harvest comes together, one basket at a time.
Every load is secured for the road ahead.
The harvest moves forward, leaving its origin behind.
Across changing landscapes, the journey continues. From quiet roads to faster lanes, momentum builds. Shipments align, converging toward a shared destination.
The destination comes into view, where raw becomes refined.
The next stage begins as the factory takes over. Within these grounds, precision begins to shape every step.
The boundary opens between transport and transformation.
The cargo meets the hands that will guide its next phase. Machines and workers move in seamless coordination. The path forward is clear and continuous. Inside, the process becomes structured and precise.
The beans arrive, ready for their first refinement.
The first inspection begins as the beans meet the line.
Gravity guides the raw material into motion. The line carries every piece toward its first refinement. Unwanted elements are removed through controlled motion. Airflow refines the separation with precision. Human attention ensures consistency beyond automation. Final surface cleaning prepares them for processing. Now refined, the beans move toward transformation. Heat begins the transformation at the core. Carefully controlled roasting develops the flavor within.
Every variable is monitored to maintain consistency.
Once ready, the beans are released from heat. Cooling stabilizes the structure for the next step. Air separates what matters from what does not.
The essence remains, ready for refinement.
The core is broken down into its purest form.
Pressure and heat release the cocoa's natural richness.
The liquid base forms the foundation of chocolate.
Balance is introduced to shape taste and texture.
Refinement reduces every particle to precision. Time and motion deepen the final character.
Smoothness emerges through controlled repetition.
Now stabilized, it moves toward its final structure.
Temperature control defines the structure of the final product. Controlled cooling ensures stir's strength, shine, and snap. Automation maintains balance without interruption.
Precision positioning prepares the next stage.
Each mold receives a measured and consistent fill. Vibration refines the surface to perfection.
Cooling locks the structure into place.
The liquid becomes solid, ready to take form.
Form is revealed as each piece leaves its mold.
Every surface is checked for visual perfection.
Edges are refined to exact dimensions.
Final touches bring out the signature finish. The finished product moves toward its final presentation. Every unit is measured to meet exact standards. Advanced systems detect even the smallest imperfections.
Every surface is checked for visual perfection.
Human expertise confirms what machines detect.
Selected samples undergo deeper analysis.
Structure and consistency are precisely measured. Stability ensures quality beyond the factory floor. Only approved batches continue forward. Quality assured, the final stage begins. Each bar is sealed to preserve its quality. Products are grouped for efficient distribution.
Stacked and stabilized, shipments take shape.
Stored in order, ready for departure. The journey continues beyond the factory walls. From production to distribution, the cycle completes.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate from start to finish.